Okay, put my United HVAC rebuilt blower motor in 2 days ago. August 5th. Here we are on 2 days later, August 7th. It's about 7:30 in the evening, Wednesday night. And I just came out to the garage to put some recycle out. And I noticed my thermostat has this code. So that can't be good. I'm not sure what code 201 is, but I've never seen this in 12 years. So does this have something to do with United HVAC, their rebuilt motor, and ECM? I don't know, but I suspect it does.